is Scungy Taylor, I live upon the waves. My father died a sailor, salt water in his veins. And when I was but a child, my mother said to me, I'll not lose another to that deep blue sea. When I grew, she sent me out, but jobs were hard to find. Nothing in the factories, nothing in the mines. I was passing down the docks, a press gang cornered me. Wrenched was I from my mother to the deep blue sea. So blow, man blow, fill the sails, away we go. Brutal was the navy, and soon we were at war. Many of us deserted when we went ashore. If captured, we would surely swing the price to be free. So for a time I bid adieu to the deep blue sea. Running from the shore patrol, I hit upon a ship. When the bosun found me, I feared us for the whip. But instead he took me on a pirate's life for me. So I joined their motley crew on the deep blue sea. So blow, man blow, fill the sails, away we go. The waves were rich for pickings, be it Spanish gold. Tobacco, silk and slavery were pillaged and unsold. For a time we lived the life of wealth and luxury, till the Navy vowed to rid us from the deep blue sea. A fleet of frigates chased us down and fought us in the bay. No quarter asked or given, we were slaughtered in the fray. Our bodies thrown overboard, dear mother, forgive me, for you have lost another to the deep blue sea.